The 2024 Kia Seltos S, although impacted by inflation, remains a reliable SUV for budget-conscious buyers. Priced at $31,690 drive-away, it offers a refined 2.0-liter engine, a spacious interior, and additional features like rear air vents and USB-C ports. However, interior quality concerns and rising prices are notable drawbacks. Pros: refined 2.0-liter engine. Spacious interior at an affordable price. Inclusion of rear air vents and USB-C ports. Cons: interior quality is lacking in some areas. Overly active safety equipment. Price increase over the years, despite added features. Pricing: Seltos S, $29,500 before on-road costs, $31,690 drive-away. Comparison with competitors, positioned competitively against Hyundai Venue Elite and undercuts Hyundai Kona and Nissan Qashqai. Interior: basic features with hard plastic and limited padding in key areas. Functional interior with 8.0-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Improved rear seats with USB-C ports and air vents. Good storage options but lacks wireless charging. Under the bonnet, 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, producing 110 kilowatts and 180 Nm. Continuously variable transmission, CVT, with front-wheel drive. Claimed fuel economy, 6.9 L/100 km, observed 8.1 L/100 km. Driving experience, smooth and quiet engine with quick acceleration. Comfortable suspension for city driving. Limited noise in the cabin, suitable for long-distance travel. Lack of adaptive cruise control and annoying speed limit warning. Safety, 5-star ANCAP safety rating, 2019. Standard safety features include airbags, AEB, blind spot assist, rear cross-traffic assist, and more. Cost to run, 7-year, unlimited kilometer warranty, capped price service, and roadside assist. Service costs over 7 years /75,000 kilometers, $2,072. Conclusion: the Kia Seltos S, despite some shortcomings, remains a solid option for budget-conscious buyers. With its affordable pricing, spacious interior, and reliable performance, it offers a practical choice in the SUV segment. However, considering alternatives within the Seltos range or exploring slightly more expensive models may provide better equipped and more satisfying options.